Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making this delicious and spicy prawns roast, so keep on watching. For this I've taken half a kilo of prawns. To that add some salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, a pinch of garam masala and fennel seed powder and some garlic powder. Mix it well and marinate for around 20 minutes. Now in a wok, add some oil and add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic finely minced. To that add some curry leaves and 1 cup of finely chopped shallots. Add some salt. Don't add too much salt as we've already added salt to the prawns. Mix it well and saute till the shallots are soft and translucent. Then add the marinated prawns. Mix it well and cover and cook on a medium heat for 10 minutes. Once it's done, add some more curry leaves and mix well, and our delicious prawns roast is ready. So I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye-bye.